Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting webinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off your microphone in GoTo? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off your microphone in GoTo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you joined into a GoTo Meeting webinar as a participant, sometimes you're going to have a lot of background noise, so you want to go ahead and turn off your mic so it doesn't disrupt the webinar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meeting account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But let me go ahead and open up a GoTo Meeting webinar. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up a GoTo Meeting webinar, as you can see right here. Now, in order to turn off your mic, the easiest way is you're going to click right here on the microphone logo. If your microphone is on, if you hover over it, it's going to say turn off microphone, and you just click it, and then you're going to have an X over the microphone. Another way you can do that is here on the right of the microphone, there's going to see this kind of upward arrow. If you click on that, you can click on turn off microphone. Now you can see up here on my profile, it's going to have a microphone with a red slash through it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn off your microphone in a GoTo Meeting webinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.